Hello dear students, in this video we are going to record and observe some interactions among biotic components of the environment. These components are mostly plants and animals which interact with one another. They depend upon one another for their needs. Green plants provide food, green plants provide fresh air, example oxygen, and shelter to the animals. In return, animals help the plants with carbon dioxide, pollinating the flowers, dispersing the seeds and the fruits, and also with nutrition, manure to a greater extent. For example, plants synthesize food with the help of chlorophyll, trapping the solar energy in their green leaves. This food is directly available to the animals. Thus, green plants are the primary source of all the food for animals on the earth. Green plants are called producers. The organisms which do not produce food by themselves are the consumers. Thus, all animals are consumers and nearly all plants are producers. Second type of biotic components is herbivores. Herbivores are among the consumers. The first kind of consumers which directly eat plant or plant eating animals are herbivores, which feed on grass, leaves, and plant products. They are therefore called primary consumers. So, primary consumer means nothing but herbivores. Here, animals interact with plants only. Second is herbivores. Third one is carnivores. Carnivores are flesh-eating animals which feed themselves on the flesh of herbivores are called as secondary consumers. Why these are secondary consumers? Because they feed on herbivores. The herbivores feed on plants. So the herbivores are primary consumers and the carnivores are secondary consumers. Now the next category is omnivores, which are feeding on both plants also and on herbivores also. They sometimes also eat carnivores. So carnivores, herbivores, both are being eaten by, along with plants also. These all are eaten by omnivores. Nothing goes waste in nature. The droppings from the animals, that is consumers of food and farm, and the kitchen waste is also used as food by some organisms, mainly microorganisms. There are organisms that feed on dead and decaying plants and animals. The organisms deriving nutrition from waste and dead decaying